Hi everyone, I'm Ankit, a third year PhD student at RPI. This poster presents MAVRIC, a semi-automated pipeline for drone-based animal re-identification. It focuses on the challenge of linking individual identities across fragmented tracks and time in drone video to assign consistent ID at scale. Drone makes it possible to collect large-scale non-invasive wildlife video over long periods for herd behavior studies. The problem during re-identification is that the video often contains low-resolution annotations, occlusion, and undistinguishable viewpoints. So many detections are effectively unidentifiable, and that creates fragmented tracks. Existing approaches fall short as manual ID does not scale. And standard tracking and re-identification pipelines break when we must link identities across track fragments and even across non-overlapping left-right viewpoint. So the research goal is to build MAVRIC, a semi-automated pipeline that assigns consistent IDs across fragmented tracks and viewpoints over different days and times. Our pipeline works as follows. First, we detect and track animals in each frame using YOLO V9, and then classify species using BioClip and viewpoint using custom classifier. Next, we score each detection with an identifiable annotation score, basically answering if frame shows distinguishable markings. Then we pick representative annotations, meaning one or a few high quality views per track, per viewpoint, and then we compute embeddings using MuID. These embeddings are clustered using LCA algorithm, which explicitly looks for inconsistencies, and if confidence is low, it asks human for verification. Finally, post-processing enforces intra and inter-track consistency and links across viewpoints to produce final IDs. We evaluated MAVRIC on Caber ID comprising of three different species, gravies and plain zebras and reticulated giraffe, with 1,371 tracks and 240,000 plus detections. Across test dataset, MAVRIC achieves high ID recall. In many settings, recall is 1, and IDF1 is around 0.7 to 0.8 with modest post-processing effort. We observe huge reduction in manual effort. Instead of needing ON square pairwise comparisons, MAVRIC only asks for ambiguous cases. For example, one dataset uses 159 human decisions for 14,830 identifiable annotations. Finally, using multiple representative annotations per track consistently beats using a single best frame per track. Therefore, MAVRIC delivers reliable multi-view animal re-ID with high recall and an order of magnitude less human verification than traditional human in-the-loop workflow. Thank you.